If you want to turn off your Google Pixel 9 but your screen is not working, so let's say that you broke your screen, you can see something that is here, but you cannot like touch this screen. So you will have to use the two buttons combination at the first, click the power button and the volume up button, and we will actually first start with the restart process, but after this I'll show you how you can actually switch it off. So click and hold until the screen goes black. There we go, and now click and hold the volume down button. And click and hold it all the time until we enter for the fast boot mode. It will take around 15 to 20 seconds. I was watching some other videos on the YouTube, but they are actually showing us that we have to click and hold the power button and the volume up, and then instead of turning it off, they just restarting this. So let me show you how we can really turn it off. Okay, as you can see, our screen right now goes into the fast boot mode. There it is. And now always you get the start option, but when you keep tapping on this once on the power button, I mean on the volume up button, you can click now power off, click power off, and now your phone will go black. And this is actually how you can really turn off the Google Pixel 9 without using the physical buttons. I mean without using the screen, only with physical buttons. So that's for this video. Thanks for watching. Right now please subscribe.